man. Y'all know what it is.
They say screwy eyes, slime 762 in the switch. If I catch my favorite op, I'ma blow his ass a kiss. We was turning up on other ops, I was looking in the mix. In these streets, I play battle rules, some shit can't be fixed. I'm so tired of that real shit, all you do is this. You ain't never did a thing, send no shots. If you did, your ass missed. Flip past the red, stole every rip. It ain't no slipping, we got rubber grips and all the Glock. Nigga, you be tripping, you be cherishing all the thoughts. EBO got boys, nigga, we got all the shots. Fuck what you heard, bitch, we up on all the ops. Fuck what you heard, bitch, we up on all the ops. I think it's time to bring the Drake out. You don't wanna be bully, time to bring the bully out. Last nigga who was smoking all the foe on a hoodie now. I'm down back to back, I think they want a treaty now. We ain't making peace, my brothers die for this shit. I've been chasing roads, I ain't got time for a bitch. Play on one of mine, go end up down in this bitch. Try to jump my gate, you go end up down on that lick. Every day I keep my pipe, cause these streets ain't nothing nice. Since my shorty died, I've been feeling like this shit ain't right. OG always told me, son, watch these niggas, they ain't right. Don't make a threat, just shoot the pipe. Address the situation, make it right. We on that ass like right on right. We got some switches, phone them, dress them up like brand new mics. I pose, call the phone.
Da-da-do! Hey, y'all, man, hit me up, man. I got one 9-week-old female Murrah American Bully up for sale for $2,500, man. Da-da-do! Hey, man, if this y'all first time to the channel, man, make sure y'all stop, pause right now, hit that like, share, and subscribe button right now at this moment, man. Da-da-do! Hey, y'all, man, welcome to Jump Street Kennels, man. Hey, y'all, today in this video, man, we gonna be doing the AI in my living room, man. Hey, y'all, man, we gonna be doing the breeding, man. And one that I just came up with off the top of my mind. At first, I couldn't find a nice stud for this female, but then it came to me, man. Let me know what you think I did, man. Jump Street Kennels, CEO, Master Lord, da-da-do. Da-da-do. Stay in tune on the puppies coming soon. Da-da-do. Hey, y'all, man, my ring bill had a notification. Somebody was at my door. By the time I started recording, man, he was pulling off and leaving my package at the door, man. What y'all think came in this package?
Yeah, my Amazon package just got here. Let y'all see what's on the agenda today. Let y'all see what's on the agenda today. AI kit came. AI kits came right on time, y'all. Today we gonna be doing the AI. Alright, y'all. Explain to y'all what's this. You got a pack of dog condoms. That's for what you're gonna pour the semen out in. You got a tube, so when you take it out of there, you can put it in here. It's easier to suck it out with this. Then you insert it with this. Make sure that you only use once. Keep materials clean. A pack of gloves for you to use for each time. They are a one-time use kit. AI kits. Medium breed size dogs. I'm showing y'all how to do the AI. Alright, y'all. Let me show y'all good footage of the mama. This is Queen Hennessy. She just had a litter 6 months ago, her first litter. This gonna be her second litter. As now she been off the yard. She just came back. Hennessy! Look at the muscles in this girl, man. Nice, beautiful she-male. Hennessy! Hey, girl! Hey, girl! Look at her posing for the camera. Hey, girl! Hennessy! Hennessy! Y'all see her, man, looking good as ever. That's gonna be the mother of this litter. Hey, y'all,
This right here is Casper, my own productions of Ghost Productions #2. He is a micro, ghost only micro, and ghost only son that I ever kept. The only other male that I kept on my yard. Check him out. Casper. Casper! Look at him. Look how low he is to the ground, y'all. Check him out. Good footage of this man. Casper! As y'all can see, that's the spot where we just shot Hennessy video at. And that's probably what he's smelling. She probably took a pee. Check him out. This gonna be the stud. What y'all think? He open for stud right now at a Stack BRC register. Alright, y'all. This is what I normally do to break the ice, man. I bring Casper back, try to let him get a natural stick. And if that doesn't work, which I know he won't because he's too small, we're going to do an AI.
Alright, y'all, we gonna get started. The materials we got, we're gonna use. Let me set the camera on.
Alright, y'all. Before we get started, everybody getting acquainted. Like I told y'all, gloves come inside of there. Clear these up. One dog condom.
That bitch want the thing I fucked her, she sweat off her
ass.
30 on me, I feel dirty, homie, tweak you down. Look, frequency I can beat it, new can lead in 2 times. I'm smoking the whole dude, can't say too much, I keep it quiet. Niggas beat the law for real, I ain't tryna do no time. I told them one more, but I'ma tell them one more time. Better stay out that door, cause it's gon' be some cross fire. I told them you want the whole birds with shooting you chick. I see niggas back 33 months, so I don't let niggas get in. Hit the bar twice and the 300 ass, I know y'all, let's get it. I don't pop got this nigga my jeans. If I don't trust you, I'ma blow his sleeves.
Alright, y'all. 15 minutes up with. Let's see how much did we pour from. It's cloudy. He's still shooting. Drop a comment how many tubes y'all think he gonna fill up. This will be his first litter that took. Typically, we'll hold it like this for like 15 minutes. But I'm not gonna have y'all watch me hold him like this for 15 minutes.
Young Will, drip too much flavor.
Boy, you a fool. Should've stuck to the rules, man. Got this face on the move. Fuck you, goofy. Nah, boys ain't slide. Look. Boy, you a fool if you lead house, rock that Glock. 2 joints plus 1 mop. That's way more than enough shots for a Rudy with a Glock. 757 knocked off a nigga top.
I'm just gonna rip it, blast it. I don't want to get it all dirty from where the tip we came in at.
Shorty to walk around smoking L, getting laced. When we play around, call Shorty with the K. Like a plan B, get you going to the date. With the pose in the face, get the bricks on the wife at a case. Then pretty guys operate, got confidence, double take up at a state. Got a clock with a switch, get jump at a crate. Say who don't nigga, let's play 30 days, 30 nights. We playing for the cuts, hollow tips in the 50, living niggas straight up. Try to jump my gate, well nigga, good luck. Wipe a nigga nose with 50, no asking. Play EBO, then shit get tragic. Me and pretty guys, wipe your nose, no napping. Say you wanna burst that money, yo ass. Puss ass nigga don't preach when he pipes. I'm a dog off the leash with the rap every day. I repent, not mess my rapper, respect the name. Do you know what happened? Can't rap. I'm trying to up the score. If you know what you know, better watch that.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
My shirt and my deal, know how to chill. All they know shoot guns, pop X pills. Bitch, I still smoke J-Mo steel. And I'm I can't take no
Extra tube I hear from something else. I like to use tube on the air. It helps me do the air part a lot faster. Alright, that's 2 and we still got some. First things first, we find the spot. You know what I Let's get it, man. Y'all know we ain't playing around. Let's get it, man. Look. Where was you at when you was out in the trenches? Tell me all the snatches. Crossing out with the block with the drum ain't miss out. Keep up go hard head, ain't listen. Bulk up in the joint, get your time extended. It's getting that checks, not snitching. Keep my plugs, bet the judge. Go like a brick out. Which one can't got a fight like Tim? This is feeling like the blood. You put stuff on the belt. Hennessy, stop. It's okay, mama. Oh man, it's starting to go bad. Hennessy, good girl, mama. It's starting to go really bad. We all done. Da-da-do. Drip. Leave her like this. About 10 minutes after you pull your finger out. Let the kids come back up. Da-da-do. Hey, man, if you guys are watching right now, man, you guys have reached the end, man. thank y'all for watching out with Jump Street Kennels, man. Da-da-do! Hey, man, y'all know it's time to turn them social medias up, man. Go add us up on TikTok. Man, y'all already know what time it is, man. It's time to turn them social medias up, man. This shit don't stop, man. Go add us up on Snapchat at MasterLord159, man. I'm talking about right now. Man, go add us up on Facebook as well and see some of the pictures and videos on the daily that we don't show you over here on YouTube. Go follow us up on Instagram. Like, share some of our pictures and videos. Da-da-da! Out.